Hello, my name is Katie Shue-McGuffin, and I am the DNP Program Coordinator and Clinical Associate Professor in the School of Nursing at the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. I will also be presenting with my colleague, Melinda Pierce, who is the Coordinator of Simulation and Interdisciplinary Practice and a Senior Lecturer in the School of Nursing. We are excited to share our research at the conference during our podium presentation regarding the use of innovative escape room simulations to improve family nurse practitioner students' pediatric clinical decision-making. In the current pediatric curriculum with the Family Nurse Practitioner program, students often participate in a simulation experience of pediatric clinical problem-based scenarios. However, they do not have the opportunity to actively engage and demonstrate the full clinical decision-making process through the identification of critical clinical indicators that are required for optimizing patient outcomes. Participants of our session will gain knowledge of an innovative escape room simulation to prepare family nurse practitioner students to manage pediatric care. Key simulation features will be outlined, including the use of standardized patients and 5 consecutive simulations with increasing complexity to mimic realism in nurse practitioner practice and repeated opportunities to improve performance. Apart from sharing my team's research, I'm looking forward to attending the INACSL conference to learn more about how we can use simulation to enhance our graduate nursing education. Further, I would love to learn more about how we can use augmented or virtual reality to prepare students for clinical practice. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in Oklahoma City.